Hello friends, I'm Dr. Angelina Dcosta, and today I want to speak directly to those of you over 60, who are noticing changes in your body, especially muscle loss. As we age, it's natural to lose some muscle mass, but when it becomes significant, it can affect your balance, energy, and overall independence. The good news is that small, daily habits can make a huge difference. One of the most effective and simple ways to support your muscles is by adding plant-based, protein powder to your morning coffee. Not only does it give your body the building blocks it needs to maintain and rebuild muscle, but it's also easy, convenient, and gentle on the stomach. In today's video, I'll guide you through why muscle loss happens, the benefits of plant protein, and how to make this small change a powerful step toward staying strong, energetic, and independent well into your 60s and beyond. Why muscle loss happens. Now let's understand why muscle loss occurs as we age. After 60, our bodies naturally experience changes in metabolism and hormone levels, which can lead to sarcopenia or gradual muscle loss. Muscles shrink, strength decreases, and even simple activities like climbing stairs or lifting groceries become more challenging. Several factors contribute to this process. Reduced physical activity, poor nutrition, and lower protein intake are major causes. Additionally, hormonal changes, like declining testosterone in men and estrogen in women, can accelerate muscle breakdown. Chronic conditions, inflammation, and even stress can also play a role. The good news is that muscle loss is not inevitable. With proper nutrition, especially sufficient protein, combined with light strength exercises and healthy lifestyle choices, you can slow down or even reverse muscle decline. Understanding the reason behind muscle loss is the first step toward regaining strength and energy. Plant protein, the secret weapon. Now let's talk about a simple yet powerful way to combat muscle loss after 60, plant-based protein. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscles, but as we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein from meals. That's where plant protein powders come in. Options like pea, soy, or rice protein are rich in essential amino acids, gentle on digestion, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Adding a scoop to your morning coffee is a quick and convenient way to give your muscles the fuel they need. This habit not only supports muscle repair and growth, but also helps improve metabolism, energy levels, and overall vitality. Paired with light exercises and a balanced diet, plant protein becomes a secret weapon for staying strong, independent, and active well into your 60s and beyond. How to add protein to coffee. Now let's talk about a simple, practical way to add plant protein to your daily routine, your morning coffee. First, choose a high-quality plant-based protein powder, such as pea, soy, or rice protein, preferably unsweetened and free from fillers. Next, brew your favorite coffee, and while it's hot, stir in 1 scoop of protein powder until fully dissolved. If you like, you can add a splash of almond milk, cinnamon, or cocoa powder for extra flavor without extra sugar. This small daily habit gives your muscles a protein boost first thing in the morning, helping prevent muscle breakdown, support repair, and maintain strength. The best part: it's convenient, fast, and easy to make part of your routine. By combining this habit with light exercise and a healthy diet, you're taking an important step toward staying strong, energized, and independent after 60. Now let's explore the amazing benefits of protein for seniors, especially after the age of 60. Protein is not just for building muscles, it plays a key role in maintaining overall health, strength, and vitality. For seniors, sufficient protein intake helps preserve muscle mass, improve balance, and prevent falls, which are critical for staying independent. It also supports metabolism, boosts energy levels, and enhances recovery after physical activity or minor injuries. Plant-based protein powders are gentle on the digestive system and provide all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and grow muscles. Regular protein intake, especially when combined with light exercise, can help seniors feel stronger, more active, and more confident in daily life. By adding protein to your routine, you are taking a simple but powerful step toward healthy aging and maintaining a vibrant, energetic lifestyle. While adding plant protein to your coffee is a powerful step, combining it with other healthy habits will maximize your results. Light strength exercises, like resistance bands, bodyweight movements, or small dumbbells, help stimulate muscles and prevent age-related decline. Daily walking, stretching, or yoga improves balance, flexibility, and circulation, keeping your body active and resilient. Nutrition is equally important. Include vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats to support overall health. Staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and managing stress also play a vital role in maintaining muscle and energy levels. When these habits are combined with a consistent protein intake, you create a holistic approach to healthy aging. Small daily actions like these can dramatically improve strength, mobility, and independence, helping you enjoy life fully and confidently, well into your 60s and beyond. And now I want to share a real-life story that demonstrates how a simple habit can transform strength and energy in seniors. Mrs. Lily, a 65-year-old retiree, had been noticing gradual muscle loss, low energy, and difficulty performing everyday tasks like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even bending comfortably. Like many seniors, she felt frustrated and concerned about losing independence. After learning about the benefits of plant protein, Mrs. Lily decided to add 1 scoop of high-quality plant protein powder to his morning coffee. She also incorporated light strength exercises, daily walking, and a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Within a few weeks, he noticed significant changes. He felt stronger, more energized, and more confident in his movements. Even small tasks became easier, and he regained a sense of independence and well-being. This story proves that consistent, simple changes, like adding protein and staying active, can dramatically improve muscle health, energy, and overall quality of life for anyone over 60. As we wrap up today's video, I want to leave you with some important advice about maintaining muscle health after 60. Muscle loss is a natural part of aging, but it doesn't have to control your life. By taking small, consistent steps every day, you can slow down or even reverse muscle decline, improve your energy, and enjoy more independence. One of the simplest and most effective habits is adding plant-based protein powder to your morning coffee. This gives your muscles the essential nutrients they need to repair, grow, and stay strong. But protein alone isn't enough. Pair it with light strength exercises, stretching, and daily movement. Include a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats to support overall health. Staying hydrated, getting adequate sleep, and managing stress are equally important. Even small improvements in your daily routine can have a big impact on your strength, balance, and vitality. Remember Mrs. Lily's story. She experienced remarkable changes simply by combining plant protein, light exercise, and healthy eating. You can achieve similar results by committing to these small, sustainable steps. The key takeaway is simple: start today, stay consistent, and make these habits part of your daily life. Age is just a number, and with the right nutrition, movement, and lifestyle choices, you can remain strong, energetic, and independent well into your 60s and beyond. Your muscles, energy, and confidence will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more senior health tips, natural remedies, and easy wellness solutions for those over 60. Thanks for watching.